The Rongmei Naga Council Manipur RNCM condemned over armed miscreants forcefully unloading rice bags meant for Hill District at FCI Godown in Sangay Pro on March 18. The RNCM said the quota entitled to every bona fide citizen is a constitutional right guaranteed under the Food Security Act, and no group, individual or authority whosoever should have the right to come on the way against the system delivering that justice. It warned such irresponsible act directed against some community might possibly lead to a more complicated situation when the system is susceptible to intercommunal conflict at the slightest provocation. The backlog of 2023 and the delay of the contribution for the year 2024, including the honorarium since 2020, has been duly acknowledged on several occasions to the concerned authorities. However, the interest of the public is not resolved till date, despite assurance given by the concerned representative, the RNCM added. The government representing the people should take responsibility to that end. The RNCM served an ultimatum of 24 hours with effect from 12 noon, 19th March 2024, that the allocated FCI ration should be stationed at their designated place. Failing to comply, it warned that the RNCM, in consultation with all the concerned federal units and the people, shall resort to mass agitation.